Look at this dude. You're asking me, want a makeover. Creepy hacked mustache testing. You think I'm gonna accept that? No, I'm not falling for your tricks. I am not gonna fall for this when I have VIP. I'm not gonna get rid of this beautiful outfit. You think I would fall for that? Girl, hell no. Blah. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I was just gonna record that, but no, I guess not. Snot. Let's look at art books, I guess. Because nobody else is here. Rare trade. Bitch, that is not a rare. Girl, that is not a rare. Some idiots these days. My sis. Okay. Nobody wants to see your sis. Except if it's my sis. Trade offer. Hot guy. Am I? Who likes me? Let's see. Oh fucking Christ, no one does. You're right. That's actually a good thing when nobody likes you, because then you're alone every day. Skedaddle, skadoodle. Okay. Somebody say it first. Skedaddle. Skedaddle, skadoodle. I dreamt I'm bored.